In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into 15 lucrative side hustles that offer the potential to boost your earnings, all while providing the flexibility to work from the comfort of your home. Number 1. Teaching English online. The advent of technology has transformed the way education is imparted, giving rise to the booming industry of online tutoring. One particularly lucrative avenue within this realm is teaching English to non-native speakers. Platforms like VIPKid offer opportunities for individuals with a college degree to earn up to $22 per hour by tutoring children in China. The beauty of this side hustle lies in its flexibility. You can choose your hours and leverage pre-existing curriculum materials, eliminating the need for extensive preparation. Number 2. Blog post writing. In an era dominated by digital content, businesses are constantly in need of high-quality blog posts to engage their audience and enhance their online presence. If you possess a flair for writing, becoming a blog post writer can be a lucrative side hustle, with potential earnings ranging from $30 per hour upwards. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr provide a platform for freelancers to showcase their writing prowess and connect with clients seeking content creation services. Number 3. Virtual assistants. The role of virtual assistants, VAs, has become indispensable for busy professionals and entrepreneurs seeking to streamline their operations. As a VA, you can perform a myriad of tasks ranging from administrative duties to social media management, all from the comfort of your home. With average hourly rates ranging from $25 to $35, Virtual Assistants offers a flexible and lucrative side hustle opportunity. Number 4. Passive income streams creating online courses. While active income streams provide immediate returns for the time invested, passive income streams offer the allure of earning money while you sleep. One avenue for generating passive income is through the creation of online courses. If you possess expertise in a particular field or skill, you can develop a comprehensive course and host it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. While there is an initial time investment required to create the course content, once it is established, you can continue to earn revenue from course sales indefinitely. Number 5. Selling digital products. Another avenue for passive income generation is through the sale of digital products such as ebooks, templates, or digital art. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for creators to sell their digital wares, allowing them to earn money with minimal ongoing effort once the products are created and listed for sale. Number 6. Social media management. With the ubiquity of social media platforms in today's digital landscape, businesses are increasingly reliant on social media managers to curate content, engage with their audience, and enhance their online presence. As a social media manager, you can command hourly rates upwards of $50, making it a lucrative side hustle option for those with a knack for digital marketing and content creation. Number 7. Agency ownership. Taking social media management a step further, aspiring entrepreneurs can establish their own social media management agencies. By leveraging a team of skilled professionals to deliver social media management services to clients, agency owners can scale their operations and command higher rates, all while overseeing the strategic direction of their business. Number 8. Video editing services. In an era dominated by visual content, skilled video editors are in high demand. If you possess proficiency in video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, you can offer your services to content creators on platforms like YouTube. By helping creators enhance the quality of their videos, you can command competitive rates and establish a steady stream of income. Number 9. Voiceover acting. For individuals blessed with a captivating voice, voiceover acting presents a lucrative side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Fiverr offer a marketplace for voiceover artists to lend their talents to a variety of projects, including audiobooks, commercials, and explainer videos. With rates ranging from $15 for every 100 words, voiceover acting can be a lucrative avenue for those with a knack for storytelling. Number 10. Handmade product sales. Rise of e-commerce platforms like Etsy has democratized the process of selling handmade goods. Whether you specialize in crafting jewelry, candles, or artwork, you can leverage online marketplaces to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. Moreover, involving your family, such as children, in the creative process can turn selling handmade products into a bonding experience. Number 11. Coaching services. With the increasing emphasis on personal and professional development, coaching has emerged as a lucrative side hustle option for individuals looking to share their expertise and empower others. Whether you specialize in fitness, wellness, or business coaching, you can leverage your skills and experience to offer coaching services to clients seeking guidance and mentorship. Number 12. Facebook Ads Management. In an increasingly digital world, businesses are turning to online advertising platforms like Facebook to reach their target audience. If you possess a knack for digital marketing and analytics, you can offer Facebook Ads Management services to businesses looking to optimize their ad campaigns, with retainer fees ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Facebook Ads Management can be a highly lucrative side hustle for those with the requisite skills. Number 13. Content creation. With the proliferation of social media platforms and digital content consumption, content creation has become a viable side hustle option for individuals looking to showcase their creativity and expertise. Whether you specialize in YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you can leverage your unique voice and perspective to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Number 14. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a passive income opportunity for individuals looking to monetize their online presence. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer a plethora of products to promote, allowing you to diversify your income streams and maximize your earning potential. Number 15. Search Engine Optimization (SEO) services. In an era where online visibility is paramount for businesses, search engine optimization (SEO) has emerged as a critical aspect of digital marketing strategy. If you possess a knack for analytics and keyword research, you can offer SEO services to businesses looking to improve their search engine rankings and drive organic traffic to their websites. With the right expertise and strategy, SEO services can be a lucrative side hustle option with the potential for long-term growth. In conclusion, the pursuit of side hustles offers individuals the opportunity to diversify their income streams, achieve financial independence, and pursue their passions outside of traditional employment. Whether you're leveraging your skills and expertise to offer services like tutoring, writing, or coaching, or exploring passive income opportunities like online courses, digital product sales, or affiliate marketing, the possibilities for side hustles are virtually limitless. By embracing the entrepreneurial spirit and harnessing the power of the gig economy, you can take control of your financial future and embark on a journey towards greater financial freedom and flexibility. By subscribing to not only gain access to valuable insights, but also become part of a community committed to empowering individuals on their quest for financial success. Thank you for watching.